Australia, you're listening to Sound of Home.fm. You heard that right. To start things off, we have a very special message for you, Andre Bonds.
Hello pa. Di sapat ang salita para i-describe kung gaano kami nagpapasalamat sa'yo. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas.
Our next message is to you, Arvin Libres Manuel.
Na-wish na namin yan.
Ilanok, kumusta kayo dyan? May-miss ka na namin dito. Nagpa-practice na rin po ako ng sayaw yan. Sana makita mo.
I know we're oceans apart, but know that I'm always thinking about you.
Hindi man po ulit tayo makakapagpasko in person, lagi pa rin po kayo namin naaalala.
Namamas ko po.
Hey girl, I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. Love you.
You want to be?
I love you, Daddy. I miss you.
Hello, te. Nagulat ka, no? Proud kami, Kimo, kasi hindi lang para sa pamilya mo, kundi pati din kami dito sa Pilipinas na tinutulungan mo. Thank you for helping my children in their study. You're the best, tita. We love you, and I miss you so much.
When the silence of distance is loudest, we're feeling it with the sounds of home.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year